Good morning students. Thank you very much students for clicking on my video. I am your Nagini ma'am, chemistry mentor. In today's section I am going to discuss about the kohlrausch law and its applications. Okay. So first of all, what is kohlrausch law? Definition students. Kohlrausch law. What is the definition students? Kohlrausch law. It states that at infinite dilution, it states that at infinite dilution, infinite dilution is nothing but student solvent quantity is excess. Are you following? So excess of solvent. Clear? So in bracket excess of solvent. Clear this one? Excess of solvent is added. So that is nothing but infinite dilution. It states that at infinite dilution, the molar conductivity the molar conductivity. What is molar conductivity students? Conductivity of ions produced from 1 mole of an electrolyte. Are you following? The conductivity of ions produced by 1 mole of an electrolyte. Okay, what is conductivity students? The conductivity of ions produced from 1 mole of an electrolyte. Clear? 1 mole of an electrolyte. So it states that at infinite dilution, the molar conductivity of an electrolyte, of an electrolyte can be expressed as the sum of the contributions from its individual ions. Sum of the contributions of contribution from its individual ion students. From its individual ions. So this is nothing but kohlrausch law. What is kohlrausch law students? It states that at infinite dilution, the molar conductivity of ions, okay, the molar conductivity of an electrolyte. So we can calculate the molar conductivity of an electrolyte can be expressed as sum of the contributions from its individual ions students, or sum of the contributions of individual ions. Clear? So what is this molar conductivity students? The conductivity of ions produced from 1 mole of an electrolyte. Okay, na? So here electrolyte concentration is 1 mole students. So that is calling as molar conductivity. The conductivity of ions produced from 1 mole of an electrolyte. So that is nothing but molar conductivity. Infinite dilution is nothing but excess of solvent is added. Clear, Amma? So now see students, the molar conductivity of an electrolyte. What is the definition students? The molar at infinite dilution. At infinite dilution, the molar conductivity of an electrolyte can be expressed as sum of the contributions from its individual ions. Now see students, here what we can write. For example, I am taking the molar conductivity. It is represented by molar conductivity is represented by at infinite dilution. It is represented by lambda m naught. Okay, lambda m naught, that is molar conductivity at infinite dilution. Okay, lambda m naught or lambda m infinity, or we can represented by like this also. Okay, na? So this is lambda students, lambda m naught or lambda m infinity. Are you following? So like this also we can represent, this is lambda, or like this also we can represent students. Clear, na? So this it is represent molar conductivity at infinite dilution is represented by like this. Okay, now see students, with examples I will discuss this one. Lambda molar conductivity at infinite dilution. For example, I am taking HCl, acetic acid, CH3COOH, LiCl, okay, and next MgCl2. Now see students, 4 electrolytes I am taking. Here these 4 electrolytes, how to write? Suppose I want to calculate the molar conductivity of HCl. So molar conductivity of an electrolyte, lambda m molar conductivity of an electrolyte HCl. Okay, na? So that's why here I am taking HCl. Okay, so HCl at infinite dilution. Are you understanding? So HCl I am going to calculate this electrolyte. So at infinite dilution, so lambda HCl infinity is equal to what we can write, students? Lambda HCl, it can dissociates into H plus and Cl minus, correct? HCl is it is dissociates into HCl, it dissociates into H plus and Cl minus, correct? So that's what we can write, students? Lambda H plus lambda H plus infinite dilution plus lambda Cl minus ion at infinite dilution. So this is the molar conductivity of an electrolyte HCl at infinite dilution is equal to the sum of the individual molar conductivities of ions, students, at infinite dilution. So that is nothing but lambda H plus ion. HCl is dissociated into H plus and Cl minus. So molar conductivity of HCl at infinite dilution is equal to the sum of the ions, molar conductivity of the ions at infinite dilution. So that is lambda H plus infinity, lambda Cl minus infinity. Are you following? Like this you have to write. If suppose if I am taking acetic acid, CH3COOH, how it is dissociated, students? CH3COO minus plus H plus, it is dissociates into 2 ions, acetate ion, hydrogen ion, H plus ion. Now see students, how to write this one. So lambda, how to write this one? See Nana, so lambda acetic acid CH3COOH. So it is the molar conductivity of acetic acid at infinite dilution is equal to, it is dissociate into one anion, one cation. So that is CH3COO minus, here I am taking at infinite dilution, plus lambda H plus at infinite dilution. These 2 ions you have to take, students. Clear this one? So like this you have to write. Now see one more